We could talk about how you worship a man. That's what I commented, right? Why do you worship a man?
Is it not in the Quran that Muslims praise Muhammad?
So praising someone makes you worship them?
Oh yes, praise means worship.
If I show you in the Bible individuals getting praised, would you consider that worship?
A God that will praise a man? Really?
Yes. Yes.
Can you said that's a verse that it's word by
There's
word?
many verses of individuals
God
in the Bible, like
praise
Moses.
a man.
Yeah, yes, Moses.
Is there the word praise
AJ.
there?
Yes, there is.
What-
You want me
what
to show you?
verse?
Yeah, sure. I
Yes.
can bring it. No problem. Give me a second.
Wala, what verse?
Yeah. Give me a second.
It's in the Quran. So where's the verse?
In the Bible, there's individuals who get praised. So I'm going to show you individuals in the Bible who got praised.
Let's see
Someone's
who
manifesting,
is
right?
praising a terrorist. Muslims are praising a
That
terrorist.
wasn't your argument. That you're not even tracking. Your argument was anyone who gets praised means that they worship them, correct?
It's the same because your God is even praising the prophet. So what kind of God
Yes,
praising a
there's no.
terrorist?
Yes.
Are you see?
I-
It's where can we find that? In Surah chapter 33, verse 56, 33, 56. One of the translators says, this crazy translator of the Quran.
They run to the Quran. They can't even answer the
So,
question. They
of
know
course,
they
we
worship
need to expose you in your Quran. So let's read the Quran now. Allow me to read the Quran. Surah
Alright, so
33,
I'm just gonna leave because you don't want to.
Hassan Al-Fatih Karibullah. Listen.
Yes.
Hassan Al-Fatih Karibullah's translation, 3356 of the Quran. So let's introduce the Quran to him. And you can go to the translation of Hassan Al-Fatih Karibullah. It's very clear there that their evil God praise and venerate Muhammad. What kind of God venerate a terrorist? A rapist? A pedophile? Huh? Hassan Al-Fatih Karibullah. Let's allow him to see the verse, no? Just to prove that their God is crazy, praising a terrorist PDF. Muhammad. Yeah, Hassan Al-Fatih Karibullah.
Okay,
Allah and His angels. You see that? Allah and His angels praise and venerate the Prophet. So Muslims are those who venerate and worship a man.
I'm asking you a question. Do you know what praise means?
Praise means worship. Well, if the context is, your God do that. If your God do that,
Praise.
is worship. He is venerating Muhammad. He is praising Muhammad. You agree now?
I'm telling you
That your Allah. You agree now that your Allah is praising and venerating Muhammad, right?
Amen. Your Muhammad got outwitted all night long by 4 black men. 4 black men all night long. That's your Muhammad. Don't be stupid.
Yeah. Bro Adrian, we asked him about the verse that there is in a verse in the Bible that Allah is praising someone. He is not even giving us the verse, but here it's very clear. The
He didn't
evil
wanna-
God, Allah, praising and venerating a man. What kind of God is that? So we were waiting for the verse to show to us the verse that the God of the Bible is praising a man. I can guarantee all of you guys, there's no such
Salamat siya.
thing.
Wala pa si Kuya Mufan dito.
O paano yan ngayon? So how can you answer that you Muslims in is it in Europe? You're not even showing us a verse. You can cite a verse about a God is worshiping or praising a man. No, there's no such thing. That's why we challenge him to show us first, because if he cannot show us, then this is the exact verse for him, that Muslims are worshippers and praisers of a man Muhammad. Let's go. Let's
Alright,
go
so
to the
give me-
praise. The
let
word
me-
praise in Merriam-Webster's dictionary. Abdul, makinig, listen.
Can you give me big
The
screen?
word
Can I
praise in the
get big screen?
Hey, Abdul, listen, Abdul. Shut your mouth. So the word praise in the Merriam-Webster's dictionary, it says worship. The equal term of the word praise in the Merriam-Webster's dictionary, praise means worship. So Muslims are worshiping a man, Muhammad, venerating Muhammad. So in 2026, who are those who praise, venerate, and worship a man? Muslims. Even their God is doing that pagan works. You imagine Allah and His angels praise and venerate the Prophet. Believers praise and venerate him. You see? Allah, angels, Abduls, praise, venerate, and worship this Muhammad. So in 2026, there are still group of people worshiping and praising and venerating a man, a terrorist, a PDF file. You are the ones who are worshippers of men. Sabi niya kasi, man worshipper daw tayo. Papakita natin sa kanilang luko-luko na aklat, sila pala yung nagbe-venerate at nagpipraise ng tao. Hinanapan natin ng talata saan mababasa na ang Diyos ng Biblia ay nagpupuri sa isang tao o propeta. Wala nga naipakita tong kubag na to eh. He is saying that praise and worship is not the same. But in dictionary, in the Merriam-Webster, the word praise is equivalent to the word worship. So are you ignorant, my friend? Click mo lang yan. Lumali dictionary kasi sinners ka.
Oh no.
Yan. Where are you, Mumin? Ha? That's from Arabic dictionary. Oh. Yusaluna means worship. So your God is worshiping Muhammad. Praying to Muhammad. What kind of God? Praying to a man, worshiping a man.
Oh.
Akusa sila ng akusa eh. Kung sinong worshiper ng tao eh, sila nga nag-worship eh.